Hello friends, welcome to ADO.NET tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to insert a typed row to the database. So the flow will be like you will be clicking the new button, and after that you will type the content here in these fields, then you click the insert. So that's the flow. Click new, type the content, and then click the insert button. Strongly typed data objects provide two methods to insert a new row in the DB table. Right? There are two methods available to insert. The first method, from the typed data table, we can call new table name row. That means new jobs row. Right? To get a new typed data row. So here, if you see in the first method, we are making call to new job row, and we will be having a data row that doesn't contain any populated field. So you can see jobs row, new row, job table dot new jobs row. So from our job table, right, we need to make a call to new jobs row. That means we need to have a job table in hand, and we omitted those code here. When we go to the implementation, that time we will see, but we should have the job table. Once we have the job table, right, we can make a call to new jobs row. New jobs is our table name row. Suppose if you created titles table, then it will be like a new titles row. So likewise, you can find the method names new jobs row, and we have new row in hand. Then fill the return row with the values and call add job row, odd job rows. So here table name is the one that will vary based on which typed table you are accessing. Here we are accessing the job table, right? So we make a call to add job row, right? New job row, new jobs row, then add jobs row. So if you see, once we have new row, we are populating its member max val, min val, job description by taking the input from our UI, right? TXT, max level TXT, min level TXT, job description. We are accessing the text property, and we are assigning that to our new row. So here it will be empty, and here we populated it. Alright, the new row is populated with the UI elements. Next, we make a call to add jobs row, right? And here, if you see new jobs row, that's the two key method here we are using. New job row creates a new job row. After populating it from the same job table, that's where we retrieved it, right? We add the new row. So here we have the new row, and we are populating it to our collection. To inform the database about the change, we should call update method. So we should call the update method of the typed data adapter. And if you see adapter.update, and we give our job table. This job table now contains a new row, right? This new row is already added, and after that, after adding that row, we make a call to update method of the adapter, right? So the adapter will now take care of inserting the row. So in our label info, we are just printing new job added. Job ID is this is where we are having the new row, right? New row dot job ID. And if you see, we haven't populated the ID field here. After you make call to adapter dot update, the adapter will find a new ID, and after the update, we are using that same new row. Since we have the reference, we refer the job ID and we inform that to the user. So new job added, and this is the new ID for the added job. So that's how we are printing it. So this is one method. You can use a second method also. In the second method, use add table name row method, right? In our case, it will be like add jobs row. So you can directly make use of the method add jobs row. Here we just gave the job row. It's also possible to supply the column values. We can supply all column values to this method to insert the new row. And if you see add jobs row, it's a override, right? The first version takes the job row itself. The second version takes a specific field information. So here we are passing the description, then we are passing the minimum level, maximum level as a parameter to this add job row. After that, we are making call to adapter.update. Right? You can either use this technique or the second technique, whatever is suitable for you. You can use that. And then here we are reporting job is created or new job is added. Alright, now let's go to the demo. Alright, now we will use the first method. So first we need to clear the UI. For that we will use this new button click, and here we will clear all our display fields, right? So in the new click event, first we get the jobs table adapter, and from job table adapter we fill our job table using the get data method. Now we have job table in hand. Here we will make a call to add jobs row method, job table dot add jobs row. So this is the method, and if you see, we have two overloaded version. The first version takes job row, and second version takes individual parameter, job description, minimum value and maximum value, right? So that's what here we are giving to the add job row. First one is the description, right? First one is job description, second one is min level, and third one is max level. You can see that here. So job description, min level and max level, we passed all three arguments here to the add jobs row. After making this add jobs row call, subsequently we made a call to adapter.update method. So to this update method, we are giving our job table itself, because job table here is populated with a new row, right? Now when we give this job table to the adapter is here jobs table adapter, and when you make a call to update method, the new inserted row is recognized and pushed to the database. Next, we will report the newly added job ID, right? Here we are reporting it, and then we will rebind the list box so that the list box will show the newly added job ID in the display area. All right, now we will build the solution and run it. So let's click new, Here if you see, we are not typing the job ID. Job ID will be taken. Minimum level 30, maximum level 90, job description, editor 1. So here I'm clicking insert, and you can see that new job added, job ID is 19, and that is reported here as well. Right? You can see that. Now let us proceed with the second method of insert. So just like previous, we are getting the jobs table adapter, as well as we are filling the data table. So first we get adapter, then we fill. The same thing we are doing here as well in the second method. So unlike directly making call to add jobs row, here first we will get the job row, new job row, by making call to new jobs row method. Right, new row is there. Then we are populating the fields of that new row. Then we make call to add jobs row. That's the overloaded version, right? Here add jobs row, we supplied each individual fields, but here we are supplying the new row, and that new row was created in the previous step and populated, and we give that to the job table add jobs row. Now job table is having the new row, so we make a call to update method of our jobs table data adapter, right? So jobs table adapter update, and we give the job table. This job table is now having the new row, so this change will be detected by the update method, and update will push here the insert statement to the backend database. So we report the newly created job ID, and we are stating that new job added. Next, we rebind our list control, right, as we did previously. That's all. Now we have both the methods ready. Alright, now we will rebuild the solution, and we will run the sample. We will click new, and we will test our second method. The second method of inserting the row. So you can see new job added, and the control is rebound. So this one is added by the previous insert method, and the second method also working, right? So to recap, we used the overloaded version of this add jobs row. Here we supplied the individual field, and here we supply the new job row, and that was already populated, right? So once the job table is updated, right, that means the job row that is added to the jobs table, right, jobs data table, we make a call to the adapters update method, and the update method will detect the change in the jobs data table, then supply the relevant DML statement to the backend database. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.